Hi, my name is Joe Adore with Kodak Alaris. I'm the Global Portfolio Marketing Manager here at Kodak Alaris, and today we're going to talk about one component of our vote by mail or ballot scanning solution. The software we're talking about is our VBM scan software, which comes through a company called LogicWorks. And what we're really going to show you today is the software in action as well as our document scanner in action. What we have here is a Kodak i4850 scanner, and we have some sample ballots here that we're going to use to scan through the scanner itself. Now keep in mind, every election or county that has mail-in ballots, these will vary in size and thicknesses, so understand when you buy our solution, we will make adjustments to both the software and the scanner to best produce these through the scanner. So just loading up the scanner here in lengthwise position. Okay, so what we have here is ballots in our 4850 scanner. We have our vote by mail scan software, or VBM scan. We've already pre-configured this for a current election, so we have all the information preset. That's all part of the professional services that come with the solution as well. And what we're going to do here is basically scan a batch of ballots. Now, while that's scanning, one thing to take into consideration that these ballots will come in from the post office. Okay, so now that we have those scanned in, you'll see there is information on both sides of the ballot. There's basically the basic election information, and then when the ballots are received, there's generally a barcode as well as a signature section on the ballot itself. What the software is basically looking for is the voter signature as well as the barcode information off that ballot. Now, what this software will basically do is tell you how many were scanned, how many have a barcode found. So if the barcode's missing, whether it got torn off in the mail or something like that, it will tell you it's missing. It'll also look for other errors like the signature missing. So what you can look at here is the error list, and from here it will tell you exactly what's missing. You could see on the third ballot scanned, the barcode was invalid, so that means it's missing. It's one way to flag it and then move it down the process to be re-verified. You can also see whether or not there's a signature as well as a signature missing as well. Now these are all missing a signature, so the software will signify that as a zero result, but based on the way it's set up, we're ignoring the signature. But in the configuration, you will see that the signature will be a requirement. From that point on, once you're done with your scan, it'll just give you a note that the first batch is scanned, and you can pull a report. And once your scanning is done at the end of the day or within batches, you can export that information, and that can be pushed into a downstream signature verification process. But for today, this was really just to show you the scanner in action, scanning ballot envelopes or vote by mail scan software. There will be a future video on the signature verification portion of our solution, which will review the signatures scanned and reference them against a database of actual signatures. And at that point, you can decide what to do with those ballots and move them further down the stream in the solution. This concludes our demo. I appreciate you watching this video, and thank you for your time today. If you have any other questions, please reach out to a Kodak Alaris representative.